Everyone, this Dustin, his poor boy. Now he's getting wet because in the earlier we it it rained. Dustin, and there are few friends of Dustin around here with a beautiful place right there, right here. What is he doing? Mr. George is standing next to me, and no one dare to come here, even touch. George, I think it's the Gladys son, but he is very strong now. He's a good friend with David. Good friend when they're playing, but for food, no, not good friend. Franco. Oh, you look very nice, Dustin. Where's your brother? Now they are on the big wall of Uncle Tom. They are still not yet go to Baksai Jamkrong, and they stay in this area one night already. Oh, okay. Or maybe the dog. So when they get that sign sound, they have to run. Woo. When rain, they are often, not often, they always go up to the tree to find shelter, but unfortunately all the body are wet. Dustin, stay still. Alright, his brother come one. The brother of Dustin come. David. That is his brother, his big brother, David. He's very handsome and he's also wet. Fiber don't tap on camera. Beautiful Dustin. Oh, beautiful chin. It's not bad. Maybe she has her mom help her. Where's Dustin?
Không riêng cho khu Việt Nam căn ná cho bằng khu tiền cho mình làm không này thì chưa hai chân lên đó này hai dâu của hai chân lên Run. Run. Một lời bông rối là rối lật nam kia mà lên rồi có với pháp luôn nó cho lo nó bắt nó mang cái lâu